Hi everyone and welcome to another unboxing video. If this is your first time here, hi darlings, my name is Cameron Garrison and I'm everyone's go-to consultant on how to live your most effortlessly fabulous lifestyle. And today, obviously we have a Dior Ever unboxing, darling. Duh. A deal I just could not allow someone else to freaking get, okay? I saw it, showed my husband, and let's just say this is my dog's anniversary gift to me for my husband and I's wedding anniversary. It's a little early this year. We're celebrating. Well, honey, you got to get it when you can get it. But that was my excuse for my husband buying it for me this time. So yeah, in this box I have a fabulous Dior Ever, obviously. I actually already unboxed it, so I'll go to that video now. I can't wait to see this bag. I've been looking at this bag for I mean, it's always been on my list. Let me be honest. And yeah, let's get into the box, you guys. I have my handy dandy knife here. Well, whatever you call this is more than a knife. Now, I did pay for a box. By the way, this is from the Real. This is not sponsored by anybody but my, let's say it together, my motherfucking husband, bitch. Now, okay, what was I gonna say? Damn, I done blacked out that quick. This is obviously not sponsored. Oh, the Real. They started charging $10 for their boxes, so they better have provided it because not the last time, but the time before that they didn't. We've got a box. We've got a box, folks. Let me make sure I'm not showing any. What do they say? Showing any foot, but not foot. All right. Oh my God, we are. Oh, it's heavy. Oh, All right, let's take her out. Oh my God. Oh, you guys know I love a real reaction, right? So I don't think there's anything over there. Anyways, tripping. I did change the room around like last week. Anyways, the Real, $10 for a box that, well, you see the white there and here. Looks like this box has been around for a while. It is one of those one kind of boxes like this. All right, guys, I'm gonna open it. Now, all right, and can you see it? And what if it's not in the bitch? Oh, the Real. They started doing that too. Okay. Ooh. Dun da la la la. So I already told you it was another Dior Ever, but this size, oh, in color, to die. All right, let's just get it out. OMG. Oh my God. Okay, it's open. They couldn't have closed the bitch up to send it. Da da da. Can you see the color through the bag? Can you tell? Honey, for fall? Are you nuts? And it's perfectly patinaed. I don't know. Oh, I don't mind. Oh! Yes, I got I told you, another Dior Ever, but this time, bitch. Ooh. This time I got, it's a lambskin, darling. Size medium in the gold. But the thing about this is, these bags patinaed and changed over time. And I love something with a little bit of flavor. So nobody else is gonna be walking around with this bag, first of all. Second of all, no one's gonna look like this, or like they are going to patina differently, and that's the whole point of buying something like this. OMG. Now, the difference between this one and my other one is obviously my other one is alligator. This one has the canage pattern here, and I really, 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 really wanted one with the canage pattern on the inside. Those were the ones that came in metallic silver, or some of them did. Um, However, much rather have gold slash orange slash, I guess it's silver underneath, which is fine. I like to mix my metals, first of all, my jewelry colors. And on top of that, that means I don't have to buy the silver one because it has silver already. Now let's see. Let's see her clothes. So you know. Oh my God. Let me get it stuffed and I'll be right back. Oh, also, by the way, it didn't say this on the damn thing. Okay, somebody bought this April 4th, 2016. Plaza Sinayan? I don't know, whatever that is. Okay. So it came with that. The thing didn't say it came with that. Let's see how the back pocket's looking. Okay, the tag from the real. OMG. Okay. Ooh, this one has two pockets on the back side. Okay, so my husband just pulled up from work. Let me pull myself together, show him, and I'll be back to finish this video. And I will also do a comparison. All right, I'm going to clean it up and do all that. So I'll see you all in just a few moments. Well, you see how it's patinaed and like different? It almost reminds me of the way copper would patina, like a copper table, or I worked for our house pre being married, and that's what the copper would do. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And the handles, if you know anything about Dior Ever handles, you have to be careful, obviously, but these are not in bad shape at all. Anyways, I'll be back. We'll go ahead and go over OOTD today, you guys. I will probably show you a full OOTD at the end of this video because I think I'm going to wear my new bag with this. We'll see. Or I'll wear the white bag. Should I wear white? We'll see. Anyways, it is the end of summer. I am wearing this is J. Crew, the size medium, so it is a little small. Don't judge. My New Money t-shirt, embroidered, made in the USA. I had them made in Texas. Old Navy belt. These are the straight cut 7 for All Mankind denim shorts. Okay. And then, of course, my recent purchase, the GH Bass Larson slip-on loafer. Mouthful, honey. In color, I think it's light blue, darling. They have sage in light blue. I believe they're only like $29. So if you like a little loafer, honey, you better go ahead and pick it up. Pick it up, pick it up. And I'm thinking about having a local makeup artist on the channel soon. If you guys are interested in that, I think we're gonna do like a get ready with me for a girls' night out or something. We talked about this over a year, almost a year ago, and we haven't done it yet. Well, my luck is the worst. Okay, of course, I just recorded a few minutes and it wasn't recording. I was saying that I attempted to record this video a couple weeks ago. My phone died. I got distracted. Then I went to edit the video I did have, and I was just gonna like do portion of it and then add more to it, that's what I'm gonna do. But not all of that was good. So here we are, a few weeks later or so, a couple pounds lighter. Let's say that together, honey. No Ozempic here either. No Monjarno. No, I need to look at the camera, not myself. No Monjarno. None of the things, honey. You had to force me to get the COVID shot, and you think I'm just gonna willy nilly get a shot to lose weight? No, ma'am, no ham, no thank you. I will starve to death, okay? Now, I'm not promoting starvation or anorexia or anything like that, but I do think if you want to lose weight, you need to not eat so many calories, you fat fuck, okay? Now, um, I was starting with my Dior sunglasses and finishing that part of the video, and then I'll go back and I'll show you guys the bag and I'll like do a reveal of the bag um now that I've had it for a couple weeks. Okay. So let's start off with my first pair of Dior sunglasses, I believe was these. Now, if you look at my second video on YouTube, um, you'll see that it was like a Dior unboxing. My first one was a Chanel haul, or a Chanel beauty haul. So these are the Dior Monsours in Havana and white. I talk about them all the time. They're dirty as shit. Now I will put in. Okay, I'm glad. See, I said all this in the other video, but it didn't work out. I saw these with black instead of white. And then, oh, you see how I need to get the nose pieces fixed, or I need to, I guess that's like sunscreen in there. I gotta figure out how to clean them, but they probably just need replaced, right? Anyways, see, I'm a real bitch. Most people would lie and hide, which I might still delete it, but you never know. Anyways, I saw these on Depop with the black in Havana for $50. I didn't get them quick enough and they're gone. Pissed off about it. This is the Dior case. Comes with a cloth, of course. So tacky and trashy, I know. Um, let's see where it says Dior at on it. Watch this not even be the right one in here. Oh my god. Come on. Oh, it does. Right there in the middle. It looks faded. Anyways, comes with a beautiful case. There is a authenticity card in the back. Ugh, something got delivered is what that means. I have another video I need to film after this, a full haul. It's a stressful Saturday, guys. But anyways, this folds down and goes flat. So when you have the glasses on, you have room in your pocketbook. All right, so these Dior Monsieur number 2. Love them. Oh, I told you they're dirty. Sorry. Fabulous. Lily Mirza has them. I've already talked about these before a million times. Okay. Second pair, Dior Camp in Black. I was on a boat during COVID. Someone, my friend, I haven't seen him, so I don't know if he's really my friend anymore, whatever. Uh, they wanted them. They wanted them right off my face. I charged this motherfucker almost double. He said he would pay it. What am I supposed to do? You want to take them off my face? Off my face. Thank God I had another pair of sunnies in my bag because I usually always have two. So got the black, and then when he gave me the money, that means I could not only order the black again. I think that's when I got either these ones, gold with blue lenses. I've shared all this before. Blue with blue lenses. Ooh, fucking fab. Or khaki with gray or khaki lenses. Which these are a bit, because I let my husband wear them once or twice. Look what he did to him. That's why he can't wear my shit. And then, darling, these ones are my husband's. I've shared these before. They came in this little Canage case. Love. And these actually hurt me. These need the nose pieces replaced as well. Oh, I can't put them on. They'll fuck up my makeup. You see them, honey. Those. And then, darling. Oh, I said I was going to start with the ready to wear, didn't I? Unless that was in the last video. Look at these. These are his everyday. These are the So Real. Everyone knows about the So Real. These were like a big deal. It reminds me of 2016, 2017, 2014. They had sunglasses, but yeah, love these. It's time for him to get a new pair of glasses, I think. And then, oh, I was talking about this and that. I got all distracted. Sorry, guys. Uh, so this was one of the purchases. This is a trench coat, darling. I paid. I have a receipt for everything in this motherfucker too. Just so we're all clear, I paid probably $80 for this, and that was a long time ago, before COVID. Okay, I'm gonna try it on for you guys. Oh, by the way, it has the insert, darling, in case a bitch gets cold. Okay. Hoes don't get cold, do they? Ooh, I wish it was raining today. Now, at one time, this did rip. One of these sides, I think it was this side, got her fixed. I don't. I think I told you guys that. I think it was this side because this one's not perfect. Anyways, what do you think? How fab! Oof. Um. All right. Next, two more items. Well, this old thing. Now, I bought this a long ass time ago. I don't think it's real. I can be honest with you guys and tell you that. I don't think it's real. Now that I've had two other Dior bags and I know their quality, it ain't. Anyways, she's cute. It was kind of a check off the list. I like the other bags. I have way more, and I didn't pay that much for it. Like I said, I got it at like a thrift store or consignment store years and years ago. So whatever, no loss here. Now, let's reveal. Ooh, my newest Dior ever. Ooh, I got the gold Sour Patch Kid. Can you believe that? What a lucky. Oh, do you guys follow me on TikTok? I did an unboxing, and then in my next YouTube video, I have two of these coming today. Who knows what color? I want orange, yellow, or green for the common colors. And then for the rare, I would take red, blue, I guess, or another gold, of course, because you know how many metallic gold bags I have now? I'm obsessed. Anyways, this is my new Dior ever. I don't need too many charms. Like, I'm a 32-year-old, 6'3", 170-pound man, 175-pound man. I don't need to be having big dolls laying. I'm a doll. I don't need dolls on my back. Okay. Now, um, was that too quick for a YouTube video? 8 minutes to get through all of that. Oops. See, that's why I'm. Uh oh. I swear there was something else for this video. Maybe not. My Dior collection and the unboxing of that bag. Oh, I was gonna put. Well, if I'm showing my whole collection. Mm-mm-mm. Of course, I gotta show Big Mama. Woo! Damn, she's fine, huh? Woo! Somebody said, "How'd you get that?" Oh, I got some words for a few people, honey. How'd you get that? All right, now, darlings, that was my Dior collection. My name is Cameron Garrison, darling, and I'm everyone's go-to consultant on how to live your most effortlessly fabulous lifestyle. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.